Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to engage your BT50 into four-wheel drive. Down in the center console here next to the shifter you'll find the drive select dial. For everyday driving you'll only want the car to be into high. To select 4 high for your off-road use, simply turn the dial to 4H. Once 4 high is engaged, you'll notice this symbol light up on the dashboard. Once that's up, you're ready to go. For more extreme off-roading, you'll want to choose the low range option, which is 4L. The car will need to be stopped and in neutral for this to happen. When 4 low is engaged, you will see this symbol light up on the dashboard, and you'll also notice that traction control is automatically disengaged. To get back onto the tarmac once you finish your adventure, you just simply reverse the process, go back to 2 high, and enjoy the rest of your journey. Going back into 2 high, after the vehicle has come to a complete stop, you'll notice all the symbols will disappear, and that's when you're ready to go. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday at Mount Gravatt Mazda. We'll make it happen.